Lead me to the source we may need to use force. If I should fall on bloody knees, I will crawl as we unsheath our blades. We face the mess that we have made. Perhaps we escape unscathed, unscathed. His body's burned on the pyre, scorching flames rise higher and higher. If we should fall on bloody bellies, we shall crawl as we unsheath our blades. We face the mess that we have made. Perhaps we escape unscathed, unscathed. As we dream of minced pies at home with loving wives, if we should die, no eyes left dry. As we unsheath our blades, we face the mess that we have made. Perhaps we escape unscathed, unscathed. As we unsheath our blades, we face the mess that we have made. Perhaps we escape unscathed, unscathed. With this restless soul I endure, while others seem to be quite sure. How do I walk on this sharpened blade? One misstep and it's done, I'm afraid. Cast out of the garden and into the flame. Into the flame. But I'm right where I belong, immersed in this very song. The pain only lasts so long. I look tonight. I'll witness cosmic glory shining so bright. How do I walk on this sharpened blade? One misstep and it's done, I'm afraid. Cast out of the garden and into the flame, into the flame. But I'm right where I belong, immersed in this very song. The pain only lasts so long. Trapped in my thoughts, I stand alone, burden heavy, sins to atone. How do I walk on this sharpened blade? One misstep and it's done, I'm afraid. Cast out of the garden and into the flame. Oh, into the flame. But I'm right where I belong, immersed in this very song. The pain only lasts so long. Inside out, muffled screams and silent shouts. In our time, we will proceed. A hero's call will surely heed. We're on our own. No lights on, no one home. But we'll repopulate this place. Brick by brick, rebuild this space. Light powered by honesty and truth. Those that came before are living proof. In our time, we will proceed. A hero's call will surely heed. We're on our own. No lights on, no one home. But we'll repopulate this place. Brick by brick, rebuild this space. We will proceed. A hero's call will surely heed. We're on our own. No lights on, no one home. This place, brick by brick, rebuild this space. We're on our own. No lights on, no one home. But this place, brick by brick, rebuild this space. I'm sorry, babe, but there's no time to pack. We'll have to leave with just the clothes on our backs. I know it's a shame we are leaving all this stuff behind in stacks and stacks. The engine's running, the night calls our names. No room for regret, no time for blame. I know it's hard to leave, but this place can only remind us of all the pain. Tonight we escape. Tonight we make our escape. This is not defeat. The bottom has not dropped out beneath our feet. I have you, and you have me, and we are free. The bridge we must cross as we're searching for that something that we have lost. I have you, and you have me, and we are free. The scales have fallen from our eyes as everything becomes as clear as the sky. I know it's hard to live day by day, not knowing where our future lies. But isn't that really the point? The future's merely the toss of a coin, a fragile series of circumstances that time will anoint. Tonight we escape. Tonight we make our escape. This is not defeat. Oh, the bottom has not dropped out beneath our feet. I have you, and you have me, and we are free. The bridge we must cross as we're searching for that something that we have lost. I have you, and you have me, and we are free. The road unwinds beneath the moon's glare, footsteps fading like whispers in the air. Every shadow holds a past we've outgrown, as we search for a future that can't compare. But side by side we're never alone. The horizon waits a promise untold, a new dawn rising bright and bold, a metaphor for an exciting new future that will unfold. Tonight we escape. Tonight we make our escape. This is not defeat. Oh, the bottom has not dropped out beneath our feet. I have you, and you have me, and we are free. The bridge we must cross as we're searching for that something that we have lost. I have you, and you have me, and we are free. This is not defeat. Oh, the bottom has not dropped out beneath our feet. I have you, and you have me, and we are free. The bridge we must cross as we're searching for that something that we have lost. I have you, and you have me, and we are free. I trace the lines on the palm of your hand. I pretend I'm writing in the sand. I spell the word L-O-V-E. You're preoccupied with the TV. The news is on, it's looking grim. Let's join the choir and sing this hymn. Praise the Lord up on high. Please don't leave us high and dry. Take me with you when you go. I can't live without you. Without you. You fall asleep on the sofa bed. The sun shines on your supple skin. Of course you wake and ask me then, how did the stupid movie end? I say the hero saved the queen. You laugh and say you're lying to me. I smile and say, you know me so well. 20 years love, I ring your bell. Take me with you when you go. I can't live without you, without you. Take my hand, help me stand, help me stand. Lift me up, lift me up. It gets rough, it gets rough. Love is magic, love's enough. Love is magic, love's enough. We'll find a path through all the hurt. I'll follow you to the end of the earth. Take me with you Take a good long look in the mirror. What does it take to lessen the fear, or to pump the brakes? Where will they stay when they come for you? All that you have made will be cut in two. Where will you go? What will you do when everything's up for grabs and nothing remains, and nothing remains? You hold lightning in your hands, a firewalker's trick. Why are you so contentious? Why are you so thick? When they're set upon us, how will it be? No rules to hold them back, no way to keep us free. Where will you go? What will you do when everything's up for grabs and nothing remains, and nothing remains? Drown in the desert, burn to death in the ice. Unlike the others, your chances are not out of sight. But hey, just remember, the laws apply to you. You're not superhuman, immortal man so true. The skyline's cracked, the billboards lie. We hum along as the days go dry. The paper's torn, the ink won't set, but I hear a tune I can't forget. It's not the anthem we were taught, not marching drums or grand applause. It's softer than prayer, and yet it's all we've got, a silent debt. The coffee's cold, the rent's past due, the anchors smirk, they don't have a clue. But under breath, on shattered streets, that melody keeps finding me. It's not the anthem we were taught, not marching drums or grand applause. It's softer than a prayer, and yet it's all we've got, a silent debt. We sing the change, not loud but true, in broken bars and worn out pews. It cuts through smoke, through rust, through fear, a hymn for hearts that still can't hear. Yeah, we sing the change, even when nothing else remains. We sing the change when nothing else remains. We sang it when the sirens flared. We sang it through the vacant stairs. We sang when they had stripped the stage and called our stubborn hope deranged. It's not the anthem we were taught, not marching drums or grand applause. It's softer than a prayer, and yet it's all we've got, a silent debt. We sing the change, not loud but true, in broken bars and worn out pews. It cuts through smoke, through rust, through fear, a hymn for hearts that still can't hear. Yeah, we sing the change, even when nothing else remains. We sing the change when nothing else remains. But even in fluorescent gloom, we swore that spring would still make room. And all it took was one soft voice to make a giant crowd rejoice. It's not the anthem we were taught, not marching drums or grand applause. It's softer than a prayer, and yet it's all we've got, a silent debt. We sing the change, not loud but true, in broken bars and worn out pews. It cuts through smoke, through rust, through fear, a hymn for hearts that still can't hear. Yeah, we sing the change, even when nothing else remains. We sing the change when nothing else remains. We sing the change, not loud but true, in broken bars and worn out pews. It cuts through smoke, through rust, through fear, a hymn for hearts that still can't hear. Yeah, we sing the change, even when nothing else remains. We sing the change when nothing else remains. Woke up with static on the ceiling fan. The skyline flickered like a telegram. You were pacing in your New Balance shoes, spilling dreams that you couldn't quite use. There's a note by the sink with a coffee stain, something cryptic about growing pains. I opened a new pack of nicotine gum. My head still pounding like a drum. Maybe there's a place where the silence breaks, where the radio hums, where the heart forsakes, where the stars don't burn, they just softly glow, and the past can't pull you back below. I've been chasing shadows down neon halls, trying to answer midnight's calls. The morning cracked like cathedral glass. You said we keep on climbing just to fall back fast. I saw the echo of your breath in the steam, whispered prayers into a vending machine. Your coat still hangs by the crooked door, like a ghost that will not touch the floor. I dial your number just to hear the tone. Even static can sound like home. And maybe there's a place where the silence breaks, where the radio hums, what the heart forsakes, where the stars don't burn, they just softly glow, and the past can't pull you back below. I've been chasing shadows down neon halls, trying to answer midnight's calls. But I'm rising even if I'm torn, through the thunder, through the scorn, from the ashes of what we've done. I still believe in the blinding sun. No destination, just the tension. This is my ascension. Streetlights blink like they know my name, each one fading like a dying flame. I walk past the diner where we used to sit. The jukebox still plays, but it don't quite fit. Your laugh is trapped in the amber of time, etched in walls and exit signs. I keep pretending I'm hard to break, but I bend each night when the sky starts to shake. And maybe there's a place where the silence breaks, where the radio hums, where the heart forsakes, where the stars don't burn, they just softly glow, and the past can't pull you back below. I've been chasing shadows down neon halls, trying to answer midnight's calls. But I'm rising even if I'm torn, through the thunder, through the scorn, from the ashes of what we've done. I still believe in the blinding sun. No destination, just the tension. This is my ascension. But I'm rising even if I'm torn, through the thunder, through the scorn, from the ashes of what we've done. I still believe in the blinding sun. No destination, just the tension. This is my ascension.